Hello friends, today you are watching this video with Lakshmi and here I am going to tell you about benefits of meditation. So firstly I just want to tell you what can meditation do for me. Meditation can give you a sense of calm, peace and balance that can benefit both your emotional well-being and your overall health. And these benefits don't end with when your meditation session ends. Meditation can help carry you more calmly through your day and may help you manage symptoms of certain medical conditions. So now you are watching this picture of benefits of meditation and lots of benefits are there and like brings harmony into your life, improves focus and memory, balance emotions, increase immunity, reduce stress and depression, regulates heart rate, increase happiness and increase energy. So the next one thing is we are discussing about meditation of benefits. So meditation is linked with feelings less stressed as well as actually lowering the stress hormone cortisol. It is fruitful for better grades. It gives results to protect against mental health conditions. The next one is it also helps us to process emotions even when we are not actively meditating. It helps the elderly feel less lonely and reduce genes linked to inflammation. It is linked with decreased cigarette, alcohol, and drug abuse. Now, in this 21st century, you can see that everyone is taking alcohol, and if they want to decrease this level, they should do meditation in your daily life. And less anxiety as meditation loosens connections to particular neural pathways. The last one is it is linked to more creativity and new ideas as well as improves rapid memory recall and reverse the aging process. So the next thing is according to the science, there are four types of meditation. So the first one is concentrative meditation, receptive meditation, reflective meditation, and the last one is generative meditation. So we are discussing about concentrative meditation, which is most commonly used form, and it is the jackpot to gain happy and healthy life because it brings mental processes under voluntary control through mindfulness and being attend to the present moment. It emphasizes the concentration of attention. So this is the most commonly used form and everyone should try this type of meditation. The second one is mm, concentrative meditation and receptive meditation. So in keeping with conventional practice, we can call meditation the process of sustained control, mental attention and activity. Receptive meditation, like you are concentrating on something, like it is a practice like it is the process of sustained control, mental attention, and activity. You just concentrate or attention on a one thing, and day by day, time will be increased, and you can see a positive effect on your body as well as on your mind. So you should try this type of meditation also. So the last two type of meditation is the reflective meditation and generative meditation. Reflective meditation, it is a contemplative practice. You select a question, situation, or theme as the focus of reflection or deep thinking, and like lots of mantras in the meditation, uh, and lots of people they try in their daily life like Om mantra. You just try on the first day like 5 minutes you try and second day you try on 10 minutes, so the time limit will be increased and you just you just notice that the time limit will be increased and your focus and your concentration or everything will be going in a positive way, so you can show the positive result on your body as well as on your mind. The last one is generative meditation. It is assist in consciously cultivating and strengthening specific qualities such as love, compassion, gratitude, and courage. This form of meditation invites us to actively nurture these strengths of character by thinking, speaking, and acting as the quality is already fully present and alive within us. So, friends, there are four types of meditation, and you just try all these meditation if you want to gain name and fame in your life. And at last, I just want to say that if you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.